Hi. This is Donner Lake, and this is my son Dante. His first time paddle boarding. Doing great so far. Okay.
Alright. So I think I have to turn around now.
Yeah, let me know if you want me to paddle. Yeah. Uh-oh. Gonna go for the shore, man.
That's the shore.
Yeah. Keep paddling to the right. Left, I mean. And then we're gonna do a full turn.
It's gonna be a really wide boat.
Yeah, that's fine. We got plenty of room. See, it's harder to turn because the wind's blowing us.
I can't turn the boat back.
Yeah, you can.
The wind is blowing.
Go for it. Oh, we're in the deep now, right?
Oh, that's why I'm trying to turn. Oh my
Hey,
God.
don't. We're hitting the waves, so. Oh, brother, you gotta turn.
I'm trying, it's not working.
Oh, shit.
We physically cannot turn right. We have to go left.
All right.
I'm going left, I'm turning around.
Okay.
You're probably wondering where we're going.
Oh, yeah, no worries. Just there's docks over there. You just go there. GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.